The Fractal North XL is one of my favorite cases, and if you guys remember the setup behind me, this case was actually used in that, but the PC died. So I have to create a new PC. This case has plenty of cooling, so I want to introduce water cooling, but I don't want RGB. I don't feel like it fits the aesthetic of this case. So we're gonna do a zero RGB build, high end with a pre-blocked RTX 5080 graphics card, paired with a 9800 X3D CPU. Let's get into it. Tell Microsoft to bugger off and get yourself Windows 11 CD keys for 1/10 of the price. Whokeys have a big sale on, and you can use my code IFR25 to get 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code and paste it here to activate. You can even grab Office for your PC for dirt cheap. Don't pay a reoccurring subscription. Use code IFR25 for 25% off. Links are in the description. All Whokeys software products are on sale right now. Oh, that's way too tall. The ports up the top of the radiator are gonna get cut off by the top of the reservoir, so we may have to switch for something a little smaller. I think that should be okay. I think that'll work, so we'll go with the smaller option. Still a D5 pump. to our 4K Ultra settings, we saw an average of 48 degrees Celsius on the GPU and an average of 79 FPS. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Ultra settings with DLSS enabled, we saw an average of 166 FPS with a GPU temperature of 47 degrees. Black Myth Wukong 4K cinematic settings with DLSS, we saw an average of 66 FPS with a GPU temperature of 50 degrees. Doom 4K Ultra Nightmare settings with DLSS enabled, we saw an average of 120 FPS and a GPU temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Well, now that I have my brand new PC, I can put this back in the setup, remove the white case, and everything will be matching again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please leave your comment down below. What would you change about this PC? And if there's one case that you could choose to have your favorite PC built in, what case would that be and why? Go and check out this video over here where we took a super old case, but we put some awesome hardware inside. In fact, you could call it the best gaming PC in the world. It's a sleeper build. Go check it out.